Hi everyone, welcome back to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. I ordered another crochet hairstyle from Amazon. The hair vendor's name on Amazon is Beyond Beauty. The package is here. Okay, let's get to the review. So the first thing is they give you 6 packages of hair, and also they give you a crochet hook, 2 hair clips, and a mirror. So here's one of the sets. With this style of crochet hair, you won't have any shedding because each strand is individually twisted and it's tightly coiled at the bottom, which I will zoom in for you later. Each coil is supposed to be 8 inches long. The coil does stop at 8 inches long.
Kudos to that.
And then when stretched out, it does come to 17 inches long.
So these strands are true to length.
As far as smell, the hair doesn't smell bad at all. It smells like brand new hair. The texture of the hair is very soft. It's not rough at all. This hair should feel just fine when you crochet the hair in. So the crochet hair does have 2 patterns. It's twisted and then it's coiled like a spring. So I understand why they call this passion twist, spring twist crochet hair. Here's one strand.
The strands are individually twisted, known as passion twist. Then it's also coiled, known as spring twist. When you let the hair stand alone as is, you can see that it's coiled, which is the spring twist style. When you pull the strand straight down, you can see that it is twisted in the passion twist style. These strands are absolutely beautiful.
This is crochet hair. So this crochet hair doesn't have any tangles. And the ends look beautiful. Look at the ends, absolutely beautiful. They're coils, they're beautiful. I love these ends. This hair is pretty bouncy, it's very durable, it's literally jumping like a spring, so it has lots of volume. Okay, so this set right here has 16 strands. So if there's 6 packages of hair and there's 16 strands, that is about 96 strands. So I think that will be enough hair for your whole head. The vendor says that they give you 90 strands in total, so either way, if it has at least 90 strands, that should be enough hair to fit on your head.
Here are all 6 of the hair packs together.
This is a lot of hair. So when you do crochet this in, just distribute the strands across your head and you'll be fine. This is plenty of hair. This is plenty of hair. And altogether, it does have a little bit of weight. So look at all this. This should be more than enough hair for you. They call this hair color T1B Bug.
This hair is like a red ombre color. It's a dark 1B color at the top, and on the ends, they're like a reddish burgundy color.
It's super cute.
I really do love the red highlights on the hair ends. I'm very excited to see the finished hairstyle.
Let me tell you, this hair is exactly what they advertise on Amazon. The pictures look exactly the same. You are literally getting what you ordered on Amazon, which is awesome. This is going to be a beautiful finish. Absolutely love it. That's all that we have for this video, just a show and tell. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below.
If you like this crochet hair pattern, give this video a thumbs up.
And be sure that you are subscribed to Slade Secrets YouTube channel so that you don't miss any more reviews from Amazon. Okay, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye.